My dear students, this is Dr. Ravi Saripalli. Today I want to share an important message, rather an appeal to you. We are all in difficult times. Every class of people are going through some or other trouble. Health workers are selflessly working in these incredible times. A big thank you to all these health heroes. Believe me or not, more than health workers' sacrifice, continuity in your education is much more critical, not only for you, but for our nation building. A health worker's selfless effort saves a human life. More than that, your effort during the online education saves one generation, one nation, and one big hope. This is the kind of responsibility you are all carrying. You are more than a health professional. Having said that, few students who are having access to online resources who can afford online education are misusing their privilege. Often, we see them sleeping during the online class or playing games. This is total negligence. This is not acceptable. Mind you, there are many unprivileged students either not having complete access to the online resources or not having access to the basic electricity itself. In such circumstances, how much responsible you should be. Indeed, you should well utilize these online resources. In fact, you should also share them with at least one underprivileged friend or a neighbor and save their education too. I totally understand to do all these things you require inspiration. But how do you get that inspiration? My dear friends, we all get nationalistic fervor whenever we hear the stories of soldiers in Siachen at freezing temperatures. We all need to bow down when we see the manual scavengers helping in the Swachh mission. We all need to appreciate the commitment of the coal miners who work in dark conditions and bring us light through that coal. We all get thrilled when we see the air rescuers who risk their lives to save the people and animals. We all need to acknowledge the honey collectors who give us the delicious nutrition at the cost of their lives. We all need to admire the forest rangers who protect the nature and animals risking their lives. My dear friends, above all, we need to appreciate the Sunita, a tribal student from Maharashtra who secured 98% in the 12th grade and preparing for the MBBS. Her village has no internet connectivity for her online classes. So, her family built a shed for her on top of a hill where her phone manages to catch a signal for internet. That's where the dedicated girl studies from the 7 a.m. in the morning to the 7 p.m. in the night. Friends, there are many such Sunitas either in the female form or male form in our society today. Get inspired seeing those warriors of education. My dear student friends, remember, during these times, your teacher's role is much more complicated than before. Millions of teachers converted their one-bedroom small living apartments to digital classrooms to help in your online education. Recognize simultaneously, these teachers have to be equipped to the laptop or smartphone teaching. They have to precisely prepare, precisely talk, record them multiple times, edit them finally, and upload for your learning. My dear friends, you need to understand 1 hour of online class requires 4 hours of preparation. Remind you, while they are teaching, they also have to help old parents or in-laws staying at home and simultaneously teach their own children. While doing all these things, they also have to take online class and inspire you and also engage you. What a miraculous job a teacher is performing during these critical times. If you are not recognizing this great effort, if you are not respecting this sacrifice, if you are not reciprocating to this mission, probably you are missing a great opportunity. Your education matters to this nation. Please.